True Specification Series, also known as Spec Series, is a high-end, customizable commercial refrigeration line. The Spec Series consists of a wide offering of refrigerators, freezers, and heated cabinets in many applications such as reach-ins, pass-throughs, roll-ins, and roll-throughs. The option continues with the choice of full-length or half-size solid doors, full-length or half-size glass doors, as well as a combination of any options. Made with high-quality metals, there are 3 different variations to choose from. The STR has a stainless steel front and sides with a matching stainless steel interior. The STA has a stainless steel front and sides with aluminum interior. And finally, the STG has a stainless steel front, aluminum sides, and an aluminum interior. Spec Series doors come with 4 cam-lift hinges for extra support, a solid metal door handle, as well as a deadbolt style lock. The upper louver grille or rain shield is hinged, allowing ease of access to the condenser coil for proper maintenance and cleaning. An electronic control and exterior digital temperature display are standard on the Spec Series. The cabinet comes standard with 5-inch plate casters with the option of 6-inch legs at no charge. On the interior of the STRs and STAs, you will find high-efficiency LED lighting. True Spec Series has many interior kits to choose from, including Type 1 tray slides, Type 2 tray slides, universal tray slides, and 3 different shelving options. The ducted airflow design moves air from side to side, evenly distributing the cold air, making it an ideal environment for the use of sheet pans. Each door comes with recessed, easily removable gaskets, which are protected by the embossed door liner. The entire cabinet is foamed in place using EcoMate, an environmentally friendly insulation offering 0 ozone depletion potential and 0 global warming potential. Many of the Spec Series units are ENERGY STAR approved, and all have an oversized and balanced refrigeration system, ensures faster temperature recovery and shorter run times in the busiest of food service environments. Please contact your local food service equipment provider for more information. Certain features and benefits may vary by country or location. True's Spec Series.